Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where we learn Dart and Flutter code. Today we'll be looking at Flutter, one of the most powerful frameworks for building stunning cross-platform apps. If you have been thinking about starting your Flutter development journey, but you are not sure how to set up your environment, you are in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete process step by step so you can get your system ready and start coding in no time. Let's get started. So first thing we need to do is to check the system. So how do we know that we don't have Flutter in our system, or Flutter is not yet configured in our system, or you tried configure it but it's not correct? So let's check. So first thing to do is to go and open terminal, okay, like this. Terminal, okay. If you don't see terminal, you can see command prompt. You can select any of them. So I'll be using terminal for this example. So you open terminal and then you write Flutter, okay. You see the term Flutter is not recognized as the name of the CMD or something something. That is because Flutter is not in the system. Let's try again with some other command. Flutter, that's version. Still the same error message. So let's quickly get rid of this guy and go to the main work. So you come to your browser and you say Flutter download. Flutter download, okay. Flutter download, you see the Flutter installer for Windows. If you are using Windows, you use Windows. If you are using Mac OS, you can select Mac OS. Anyways, we will still see it inside. So let's take this one. See, this is what I was talking about. We still have Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and some other ones. So let's select Windows since it is Windows we are using. So you click Windows and recommended Android. So I will select the recommended one, and below here scroll to the below here. You see use VS Code to install, or we download and install it. So we want to download and install it. So you select this one, the zip file, okay. Once you select the zip file, you see it has started downloading, okay. But I have already downloaded it, so I don't want to re-download it, so I'll stop it. If you are downloading it, after downloading it, you should open it, go to the directory where this download can be found. So I'll come to my file, come to download, and you see inside this software folder is where I kept mine. So you see this Flutter Windows 3.2 stable zip is the same thing we're downloading here. So Flutter Windows stable. So let's open it. What we need to do is to extract this one, okay. We want to extract it, so let's quickly extract this file. Good. Okay, let's wait for it to complete. Okay, once you completed, you'll see a Flutter folder, this Flutter folder. So we open the Flutter folder. Okay, you will look for the bin folder, open the bin folder, and at the top, that is a directory, but this is not the directory we want to use, but the similar directory like this. So let's go back. What we need to do is to go back and copy this folder, okay. Copy this folder. You can use Ctrl C to copy it, or right click and copy. So then go to the user directory. This window, open the local the user directory. In this window, yours, you might see something like local. So once you open it, here is the area we want to create a new folder. Create a new folder and we'll name it src. You can name it anything you want, but let's use Flutter dev instead. Better. Okay, we'll open the Flutter dev and paste the Flutter we copied earlier. So once this is done, so open the Flutter, select bin, open the bin folder, and move your mouse to the top. At the top, now this is the part we want to take. So copy the part, can highlight it, press Ctrl C, or you right click to copy it. Okay, after, we now go to the search bar or the start button, open it and look for environment. You see edit the system environment variable. You select the system environment variable, open it. You see environment variable, select environment variables and go to paths, open the path, edit. Okay, now select edit. Okay, here press new and paste it, the path we copied earlier, and press OK, OK again, and OK again. So let's get rid of this tab and this one. So let's go back to our terminal and confirm if our configuration was correct. So write Flutter version, press enter. Great. See if it's correct, and you see we have a Flutter version 3.24.4 because we've correctly configured our Flutter environment. Now, one thing we want to check again is to go to our VS Code. So before we start writing our Flutter app, there is something we need to do. We need to install the Flutter extension. So go to extension and write Flutter. Okay, write Flutter. Yeah, this is Flutter. You see, we don't have installed because we have already installed Flutter. So you need to install Flutter and install awesome Flutter snippet. So let's quickly install this one. Okay, good, great. So if you installed Flutter, Flutter automatically comes with that code. So if you install Flutter, there is no need for you to install that again. So let's check. If you write that, you will see that that is automatically installed. See, that is also have been installed. And that's it. Your Flutter development environment is all set up. You are now ready to create amazing apps for both Android and iOS, all from a single code base. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials. Got questions or need help? Drop a comment below and I'll be happy to assist. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!